ASMR, am I right, ladies? Hey besties, what's up? So today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial. This was requested because I did a smoky eye, I think twice in my life, and they were two of the few times that I've looked decent. There's plenty of smoky eye tutorials, but I've never watched one, so I don't really know if people do it. I kind of just assume. So if anything seems wrong, just pretend like I know what I'm doing and just pretend like I'm a professional YouTuber. And even if it looks bad, just pretend it looks good. Also, I had really loud music in my ears and now there's like a ringing noise. So I think that's a really good way to lose my hearing. But I'm gonna start off with concealer, a lot of it. I ordered the P. Louise eyeshadow base. I don't know if you guys have heard of her, but I ordered that, so hopefully I'll be using that instead of this, so I can like gradually stop using the Shape Tape just because I use it so often, and I don't know, just gonna try to stop doing that. Also, why are there lashes in this drawer? Who did that? I also have like, I don't think it's a sty, but it's like this red bump thing on my eye, which is pretty sure it's a sty. I don't know what else it would be, but I'm covering it up. Probably shouldn't be putting makeup on, but YOLO, am I right, ladies? I'm just covering it up. Like, I cover up all my problems, so imagine that my sty, or whatever this is on my eyelid that burns a lot, just imagine that that is my problems, and I just avoid it and cover it up even though it really affects it in the long run, and probably just not ignoring it would help and would be good for the problem. But then you still covered up anyways because you're such a savage like that. Why do they look so different? Oh, I think it's because the concealer oxidizes. I forget that it does that. I'm talking so much. It's annoying. Okay, I'm gonna set that with the RCMA powder. I literally have done this for 20 years and I still do it because I'm too scared to try other stuff out because I live in fear. Actually, do I? I don't think I'm that bad with. Actually, lie detected. A clean eyeshadow base really just makes me feel some type of way. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, your makeup base is just so clean. You're just like, wow. Look at her. That is so ugly. I'm having an avalanche on my eyelid. Like, I love having a natural disaster on my eyelid. My lash line is so crusty. Okay. Okay, I think I was probably gonna cry just then. I won't complain in this video because I'm just full of complaints, and why did my eyes look so far apart just then? That's actually kind of scaring me. Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the 39A palette by Morphe. The first brush I'm going to be using is this dirty Morphe M511 brush. Okay, I think for my transition shade, I used these two fat ones right there. Oh, also look at her. Look at her. Also look at her. Ooh, look at her. I'll talk about my piercings in a second, but this is my transition. I'm pretty sure you can see how crusty my eye is right there. How do people film and just talk about makeup the whole time? That's the point of the tutorial, like that's why they are get ready with me's. But like, I'm just trying to imagine like doing that because I really can't relate. Also, can't relate on being good at eyeshadow either. Like, look at her. She looked good once. She can do it again. Oh my god, me talking about myself. Also, I like popping my blackheads. That's why there's so many little red dots on my nose. I'm pretty sure that's like not good, and my nose is like always crusty because like the skin like doesn't like it. But guess what likes it? Okay, so then you're just gonna blend that for 20 hours. I'm gonna go on my crease with this one, but a little lower obviously, and then I'm using the Morphe M505, and at first I'm just gonna place it kind of like that, but not really blend it too much. I'm just kind of placing it and swiping a little. And then I'm gonna start blending it out as I place it. And then every now and then I'm gonna go back with my transition shades and try to blend that out a little bit more. Alrighty tidy. Again, it's not really blended right now, but it'll be fixed in the end. And also when it's zoomed in, it just looks worse. So I'm gonna get this Milani brush. I think this is in a set of 3. And I'm gonna go in with one of these. They're basically the same exact color. So either of them will work. I'm gonna go in with both of them because why not? really doesn't matter. Like, I don't see a difference. Like, usually I see the differences in shadows like that, and I'm like, oh, I see it. But I don't see it with these. I think one's like literally 0.01% darker. With this brush, I'm just placing it in my crease. Like, I'm kind of gonna find where I want the black to end up going, and then I'm gonna place it right above it. I know, jaws are on the floor. Everyone is just quaking with surprise. Well, I put a lot of that on. I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna go in with the M501 brush and just kind of blend it out a tad bit. See, in the mirror it looks fine, but then it looks like a circle when I like look in the viewfinder. It's okay, she looks cute anyways. I'm gonna pack a little bit more of that dark shade and just apply another layer so it looks more defined and like, you know, and that good stuff. Now I'm going to pack on the black shade in this palette. You know what black looks like, but guess what I'm gonna show you anyways? The black I'm using. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. This is also with a Milani brush in that set. It's a very good set, it's super dope. I'm gonna start at the bottom and just start packing that black on. And I'm just gonna start packing it on to where like the lid is showing a little more and where I don't really see any of that dark eyeshadow. I'm not gonna bring the black up that high to where the darker brown was. I'm just gonna kind of like tap it. And once the black is on there, I'm gonna go ahead and get that other small Milani brush and go in with that dark brown I used right before. And I'm gonna put that right there where the black is, like on the edge of the black. See, my lid is like so crusty, it literally will not take any product. It's so scrumptious. And then she's done. You can kind of layer however you want. You can kind of make anything darker if you don't like it. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of my transition shade. Yellow teeth! I love yellow teeth. What about you guys? I'm gonna have to do the whole other eye. That's so annoying. But I can do it with music though, so that's fun. The lashes I'm gonna be wearing are the Flutter lashes in Captivating. These are really, really cute. I don't think these are the ones I wore in the picture. I think I wore the Flutter lashes in Intoxicating, but I like these a little more. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye and then put those lashes on, and then I'll be right back. Yeah, she's super edgy and we love her. Popping my back because I have scoliosis. Let's play a game where I decide to do all my makeup off camera because I got too sad to finish the video on camera. But yeah, I finished my makeup as you can tell. I'll link everything in the description. I usually say that, and I usually just wait like a whole day until people yell at me to actually do it. But I'm gonna really do it this time because I feel bad for not filming the rest of my face makeup. But in case you guys are wondering what I used on my face and lips and all that, it'll be in the description. And currently, that thing on my eye burns like a little mother trucker. So that's super lit. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Not my best work, but you guys asked me to do the tutorial in overwhelming amount of times. So yes. So hopefully it was alright. I think it was decent. If I could rate it, probably a 5. But yeah. Oh. Also listen to No Tears Left to Cry. It's out now, so is Miss video. Go watch it. We love a pop queen. Ariana really snapped, and she really went there, so go listen to it. Okay, bye.